Okay, today's another day. Babies. Uh-oh. I see Barbara. Hi, Taco. Babies. Everybody's coming to see me. Hi, Diana. Hi, Taco. Hi. Hello. Are we going to go play today? I got some fun stuff for you guys. Got some fun stuff for you guys. Hey, Callie. Go, babies. Do-do-do. Go, Diana. Do-do-do. Go, Taco. Don't do-do-do. All right. Hello. How's my babies? How are my babies? Hi, Taco. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're going to be playing today. We're going to be playing today. Whee! Well, let's make sure that the gate's shut. Hold on. Mike Tyson. Hi, Hobby. Hi. Mike Tyson. Hi, Scarlett. Mike Tyson. Hi, babies. Come on. Whee! Whee! Come on. Oh, you're so, Diana, you're so crazy. Hi, babies. Come on. Come on, get up here. Come on. Come on, get up here. Come on. Hi. Who wants to come say hi? Who wants to come say hi, huh? Hi, babies. Hi, Callie Cals. Hi, Callie. Come on. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, Hobby. Hi, Taco. Oh, stop being that mean. Come on, Taco. Taco. What's up? You coming to say hi? You coming to say hi? Oh, where are you going? Oh. Okay. Whee! Oh. Hi, Taco. What you doing up there? You're not interested. This one is. Whee! Whee! Holy canaddles, huh? Hey, babies. All right, let's see who's out here. Hi, Belle. Hi, beautiful. Hi, Belle. Hi, beautiful Belle. Hi, baby. Oh, come on, give me that. Oh, you got that. Come on. Where's that? Diana. Okay, hold on. We're going to go see everybody. Hi, Belle. Hi, pretty. That's my pretty Belle. How's my pretty Belle? Do a perimeter walk, guys, okay? Where's Mike Tyson? Hey, gang. Do a perimeter check. Hi, Diana. What you doing? What you doing, Diana? Huh? Get her. Get her, Belle. Get her. Get Taco. That's Taco and Belle. They're best of friends. Okay, come on, babes. Hi, Callie. Come on. Come on, Hobby. Come on, Hobby. Good booby. Come on, Scarlett. Yay! Hi, Belle. Whee! Whee! Hi, babies. Hi, Belle. Hi, babies, huh? Hi, beautiful. Hi, pretty. Hi, pretty. Taco, what are you doing up there? Hobby. Come on. Whee! Good boy, huh? Hi, pretty. You okay? Hi, Orangey. Hi, beautiful. Hi, babies. Hi, beautifuls. I know you guys all see me. Hi, Orangey. So pretty guys, huh? Hi, pretties. Oh, look at you. Hi, beautifuls. Callie, another one. We got Diana. Good baby. Oh, Hobby. Get it, Hobby. Get it, Hobby. Get it, Hobbs. Get it, baby. Good baby. Oop. Oop. Taco, what you got? We gotta go find Mike Tyson. I haven't seen him today. What you got, Mike? Huh? Get a taco. Hi, baby. You're so pretty. You're just a beautiful baby, aren't you? Oh, you're just a beautiful baby, aren't you? Look at that face. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, you're so pretty. So, Callie, what you got? All right, let's see who's snoozing in the butt. Mike! Buddy! Come here, baby. Taco. Taco. Taco! Leave Mikey alone. Whoop. Mike. Come here, kitten. Come on, Mike. Babies. Where's Mike Tyson, huh? Come on, Mike Tyson. Hi, silly. Taco. Taco. Hi, baby. Hi, Hobby. Oh, chow, chow, chow. Hobby, how's that doing? You little hunter, you. Good boys. Okay, where's the rest of the gang, huh? Hi, Callie Bird. Hi, pretty Callie Bird. Let's see what we got in here. See who's inside this morning. Huh? Hi, babies. Huh? You guys haven't left? Hi, sweet. Do, do, do. Here. Here, baby. How's my sneezer doing, huh? No, Diana, that's not for you. Hey, baby. Oops, 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 oops. Oh. Hi, Callie. Come here. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Okay, babies, come on. Belle, you're coming out more, huh, babe? Hi, beautiful. You're okay. Hi. Hi, pretty. I think that is Pillsbury. Hi, Pillsbury. That is. Hi, pretty Pillsbury. Pillsbury. Kitty, 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 kitty. Let's go walk around. Come on, guys. Come on, babies. Goofball. Here, come on. Come on, Hobby. Get up here. Come on, Hobby. You silly goose. See if anybody's in the... Hey, beautiful. Whee! You need the exercise. Hi, Callie. Mike Tyson under there and you're not letting him out, Taco, goofball. Huh? Let's see if we can get him out. Mr. Tyson. Come on, Mike. Come on, baby. Come on, Mike. Come on. You're not coming out today? Taco's being too mean. Oh, Taco being too mean. Hi, baby. Hmm? Hi, Hobby. Hi, beautiful. Hi, beautiful. Huh? What you guys doing? Hi. What you got, Tootie? Huh? What you got? Come on, Mike. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, somebody's purring. Somebody's purring. Hmm? How about you? You gonna purr? Oh, baby. You gonna get me? Giving me some love bites. Giving me some love bites, hubby, huh? Michael. Hold on, Diana. Do, Michael. Michael. Oh. Okay. Hi, Callie Bird. Okay, here we go. You need, come on, you need some exercise anyways. Diana, here's you do. Ta-ta. Mr. Tyson, hi, baby. Michael, kitten. Oh, he's in a mood today, huh? He's in a mood today. Mike's not in a good mood today. Come on, everybody. Go walk the perimeter again. Go check on everybody. Nobody else wants to follow me this morning, huh? Come on, guys. Taco, come on. Callie. Come on, babies. My little followers. Hello, Scarlett. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, Scar. Hello. Hi, Scarlett. Hi, pretty. A lot of these more feral cats will live all by themselves. You can see that one right there. Hi, pretty. All by themselves. And they'll come out at night. See that orange one over there? That's one that's the newer group. That family, I think, is a family of 5 or 6. But once they get over there, you kind of see where they are kind of in the grass. Here's one that just kind of sits here all by herself. Don't you, baby? Nope, there she goes. It's okay, baby. And then you got Diana and Taco and Hobby. Those guys in Scarlet, Belle. They'll kind of follow you. They like the attention. You walk real quietly, but let them know that you're here, and they'll watch you. Hi, pretties. There's a pretty black one there. There's Mr. Orange, and there's my favorite little Mr. Orange. And this is part of that family. And they'll get up and they'll eat and they'll go back in the grass. Much more active when we're not around. And then there's Diana that keeps following us. Hey, Peanut. Hey. No, Diana. Woo! Here, Orangey. Come on, Orangey. Orangey wants to get this, huh? Uh-oh, there's Hobby. Hobby's stalking. Whee! I think that orange one will get a little bit more social with everybody else soon. you doing? It's like fishing. Come on, goofball. Come on. Come on, babies. Hi, Taco. You are just a piece of work, mister. You're Mr. Piece of Work, aren't you, huh? You can sit down and say hello to everybody. Oh, why are you panting? Well, because you've been chasing after this. You're such a big girl. Huh? You're such a big girl. You need to stop, huh? Hi. You need to just relax. Everybody just needs to relax a few. Nope. Taco, come on. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Come on, Scar. Come on, Scarlet. Come on, pretty. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. So pretty. God. Hi. Oh, God. Hi. So pretty. Hi. 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 Oh, goodness gracious. This what makes it all worth it right here. This what makes it all worth it. All right here, huh? Doesn't it, huh? Oh, you're even showing me your tummy. Oh, goodness. Goodness. Is that a trap? Is that a trap? Huh? I got these. Is that a trap, huh, pretty girl? Oh, you're purring up a storm, Scar, huh? Purring up a storm. Hi. Get my phone. Hi, baby. It's just Hi. 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 Say hello. Oh, goodness. You gonna give me a little love bite, huh? So pretty, girl. You're one of our celebrities. And this is Diana. Diana's one of our celebrities. Come on, get back up here. And then, oh, goodness. Then Taco is definitely a celebrity. You are just purring up a storm. What do you guys got? I hear that purr. Baby. Scar, what's going on, huh? What's going on? Oh, goodness, you just want loves. You just want loves. And this is the feral. How can you call this a feral? There's no thing as it's a feral. It's a community beautiful cat. These guys are not. Oh, you're so beautiful, huh? You guys are so beautiful. Oh, look out, don't fall. Come on, baby. Huh? You just want loves and attention. There's no such thing as feral. Feral's a bad word, isn't it? Feral's a bad word. It's a beautiful community, guy and girl. I know, Diana, you just want to play. Hi, you biting me? Are you giving me love nips? Are you giving me love nips? Okay, come on, let's go play. That face. That face. Look at that face. Come on. Come on, pretty. Whoop. Whee! You are a piece of work, Diana. I think I see Mr. Mike Tyson. I think I see Mr. Mike Tyson. Come on, get up here. Hi, you guys. Hi, Mike. Shoo-ba-da-bee. Hi, Mike. Hi, baby. Hi, Mike. Goodness, everybody's sitting in the sun. This must be their winter sunspot. Got Callie. Got Mike in the yellow chair. Got beautiful Belle. Hi, pretties. Hi, Mike. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. Mike. He is not wanting to visit me today. Not sure what's going on with Mr. Mike. Callie does. Callie does. And Hobby does. Mike doesn't want to visit me today, huh? What you got, Doop? Huh? Oh! Oops. Huh? You got that tutu. You got that tutu. All right. Now we're going to get up. All right, beautifuls. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Wait. Hi, mister. Mike. I think because I cleaned his eyes out yesterday. I got a couple more pictures of you guys, huh? Huh, babies? All right. All right, babies. No, Diana, you gotta stay, baby. I know you're the one who wants to get out all the time. Nope, you gotta stay, baby. Okay, you guys be good. Everybody else is pretty quiet. Everybody else.